all that kind of thing, came about only to develop artificial intelligence. They wanted to make the machines more intelligent, and somehow they then, tumbled into realizing that children are very intelligent. So after studying all kinds of things, they began to study how small children make sense of the world. But even then, their misunderstanding about cognition has not been solved. And quite often you find that anything you want to understand about the brain, they will find somebody who has a brain damage. And then they will find out that because of that, then they make certain calculations. I think that to understand cognition, you have to start from children. How, as a child, it engages with the world, create a structure for knowing, because that's also important. So it's not just that, there is as you begin to engage with the world will then create a structure for understanding the world. So the content will actually dictate the process and the structure, So without this, taking into consideration this, there's a complete misunderstood idea about this whole modern cognition. And the other very important thing is, what I've realized is that a fragmented person will understand the world in fragments. A holistic being is able to understand the world as whole. So this whole Western modern knowledge system is a fragmented, is fragmenting the person who is engaging with the world. So naturally, your perception is going to be fragmented. And that is the reason why they see children as playing separately, learning separately, working separately, entertainment, art separate. So everything is fragmented, compartmentalized activities. That's because your mind is the person who is doing this, their mind is fragmented. So I think in order to understand true cognition, you have to work on yourself, reintegrate yourself, number one. Secondly, observe how children are actually doing this in a holistic manner, in an integrated manner. They don't differentiate any such thing, no? So learning is something that happens as the child is engaging with the world. There is no purpose to learn. Learning is that happens as you engage with the world. So I think there are a hell of a lot of misunderstandings in the modern context of understanding human child and knowledge creation and knowledge, etc.